Welcome to our awesome apartments. Yes, I said it. It's awesome. The goal of this apartment is to give people who are looking for a short stay, a fantastic short stay experience here in the heart of Ghana. It is situated close to, in Kaneshie Mataheko. It's just 21 minutes to the airport or from the airport. So it's very, very easy to get to other places in Ghana, especially in central Accra. Let's say Osu is very, very close, right? If the airport is like 21 minutes, maybe Osu might be like maybe 15 minutes, and Circle is like 5 minutes. Dansuman is like another 5-7 minutes away. Kaswa is like less than 30 minutes away. So if we go to Cantonment, that's very, very short. So yeah, it's in a location that it makes Accra, everywhere in Accra, very accessible, and even outside of Accra, considerably accessible as well. So we put a lot of work into this. It was acquired, let's say, almost 2 years ago from a friend of mine who wanted to travel, and so he was selling up. So we acquired this place to, and then it didn't look like this before. We'll put some cutaways of how the old building looked, but now this is what the finished product is looking like. We've done a lot of work to it, but I would love to take you around and show you where we have gone so far. Like before, like for example, even this wasn't there before. We have a storeroom with a toilet here, outdoor toilet and shower. This building wasn't part of the compound when we acquired it. So these tiles didn't exist. I bought these tiles from China, compound tiles. So come inside, let me take you inside. And all these windows acquired from China. I really like these steel nets. Normally we use material nets, but these are aluminum nets. So it's going to last, they told us like 20 years is the life cycle. So this is what it looks like so far. So we went for the white interior. Let me see if I can turn on some lights here. Okay, that's the AC. Yeah, so this is the lighting system. I hope is it better now? So we went for the, like I said, white interior, and we got some, nice lights, ceiling lights with the POP display. All the rooms are fitted with the AC to keep cool. Okay, so here can be a living room with a sofa bed, and here is a bedroom. So this is what it looks like. Let me turn on the lights. Yeah, so we went for, as I mentioned, the white interior. We tried to make things look very clean, so they can have a pleasant stay, a pleasant experience. So I hope that comes in with the details. Right now, all that is left is for us to basically bring in the furniture. So let's go to the next room. Okay, here is like the toilet and the shower. Okay. So we still have to do some final cleaning. And this is the kitchen. we still have to fit. This is another fan, ceiling fan I bought that we need to fit in one of the other rooms. And we just need to put in the cooker here. We already have the sink. Cabinets are installed. Okay, let's go. Let's move on to the other. Now this is more of a studio. This is more of a studio experience. Let me get the lights on. Bear with me. So this is the studio experience. Everything is on one floor. For example, we have the kitchen right here. There will be a little dining table here. The bed will be that way. This is where the bed will be. This is where the sofa will be. That's where the TV will be. That's pretty much it. Let's go to the next floor. So we have a dedicated generator just in case light was to go out. Yeah. So this is the top floor. The suite floor. You know, it's kind of same package that you're getting downstairs, but obviously this is on the second floor. You get a lot of breeze coming through. Right, it's very breezy up here. Right, so you have your bathroom, shower, toilet, everything's there. And then you have your kitchen. This is where the TV is going to be. Okay, and this is where the sofa is going to be. So pretty much, we try to keep things very simple, straightforward. Let's move on to the one bed. So this floor can be converted into a one bedroom and a studio, or can be converged as a two bed apartment. So okay, here's the kitchen on this floor. We just need to install the cooker right here, and we are pretty much done. And then also install the fan, the ceiling fan, which is downstairs. Just need to do that. That's it.